And today we're going to be talking about how to safely do a gun transfer from person to person. This is in contrast to using an FFL for a transfer in which you are legally protected by doing the federal paperwork. In that scenario, you're shifting the responsibility on the dealer as opposed to yourself. In a person-to-person transfer, if you don't protect yourself properly, you can be liable for having provided a firearm to someone who is ineligible or otherwise prohibited from owning a firearm. You also run the risk of having the other party potentially claiming a stolen gun situation, but if you have the proper documentation, you can prevent this. The most important thing we're going to talk about today is the necessity of having a bill of sale. Now, a bill of sale mostly needs to consist of the make, model, serial number, and both of your signatures. I usually take a picture of a person's identification, and also if they have a concealed carry, that also works very well, and proving that they are eligible to possess a firearm, otherwise they wouldn't have that kind of card. The driver's license in case you ever need to follow up on a transaction by looking at their address. Both of your signatures are required to confirm that both parties accept the transaction. If there's ever a complication with the sale, both of you have a document to prove the terms of the sale, that you both consented to the sale, and the firearm in question. This legally protects both of you if there's any doubt about the transaction. Now, there's no way to do any kind of background check unless you have a federal firearms license. So the only way to prove that a person is able to legally possess a firearm is the concealed carry permit. At least at this stage, I know that they've talked about adding the ability for individuals to conduct such as a NICS background check, but at the moment in 2025, this is March, they don't have the ability for individuals to do that yet. For now, the best practices when selling a firearm person to person is to take a picture of the identification, take a picture of the concealed carry, both of you sign the form, make sure you have the make, model, and serial number of the firearm, and both of you need a copy of the document in case you need to reference it down the road. The ATF likes for federal firearms licensees to hold their documents for 10 years. That's probably a good estimate for how long you should hold it as an individual. Hopefully this makes the process a little bit easier to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.